Do you have?
A rainbow.
Pag nanay
A
sinasabi,
rainbow face.
Yeah. I'm doing a rainbow face.
Hindi ba ganun din naman kayo, nanay niyo, sinasagot niyo, ako hindi.
On your...
Pranif eh. Ganun talaga.
naiya yun kay Eros. Wala siya magawa.
Kili-kili!
I said don't tickle me.
I love you.
Why you tickle me?
Oh, but take like you want sleep already.
Wait.
You're covering. Oh, what's this?
A rainbow.
Oh my God, tingnan mo ginawa niya. Oo, tayo na talaga.
It's a rainbow face. It's a rainbow one. A rainbow looks so cute. I want to have a picture of the rainbow. Have a picture.
Tuluan niyo siya mag-vlog para sila nung bata.
I want to have a picture of the rainbow.
Diba? Kaya ni Freya yun.
Is this your painting?
Yes.
So what colors are these? Can you tell me?
It's a different color.
Yeah, so what?
It's orange, pink, yellow, green,
Nagutom mo yung anak ko, kawawa na.
orange again.
Sabi ko kasi sa'yo, nung nasa
Oh
bahay
my
tayo,
God, so
kumain
it's
ka.
rainbow. So, is Lola pretty?
Yes.
Who's more pretty, Lola or you? So, okay, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.